Morning folks, we have another Fiat 500 with the checkered interior. Now, would you believe me if I told you that this car was taken to a car wash and the guys at the car wash have already cleaned the seats? Well, I'm not lying, it's true. I'm not going to mention the car wash that was in Farnborough, but this is what you pay for when you go to a car wash. It's all very well getting your car washed or vacuumed, you know, that's going to be worth £6 or whatever it is they charge. But what they can't do is offer a proper upholstery cleaning service, okay? And the customer had told me that the stains were actually worse when the fabric was drying out. Unfortunately, we got a cigarette burn there, but would you be happy with that? I wouldn't be. Anyway, we're going to come back to this in a bit and you're going to see a huge difference. We return back to the Fiat 500. Now, you will remember how those seats looked. We have the sun out at the moment, so it's ruining the video, but I'm going to try and get the camera inside the car. Now, unfortunately, that rear seat is knackered. It's got a great big burn in the seat, and something has unfortunately permanently stained that material. What we have removed though is all the dirt that was in that fabric. You remember how that looked? All right, that's now drying out. It will get a bit lighter than that once it's completely dry. There's the driver's seat. All right, terribly stained all around here, and obviously on the base there. And here's the passenger seat, and again that was in a dreadful condition. All right, and the door fabrics, you wouldn't believe what we took out of that. It was thick brown water that was coming out of the door fabrics. They do make a lot of contact with your arms and hands and things, so a wet vax just ain't going to cut it, folks. All right, there's that one there. Picked a lovely day for it, and everything is drying out really nice. Customer will be here in about 20 minutes, and the car will be dry enough for the customer to drive home. There you go. Now, common sense tells you that a cheap job is not necessarily going to be a good job. So why don't you do yourself a favour? If you do have a car similar to the one that I've been working on today, and you require the fabrics to be cleaned properly, why not visit carcleanseuk.com.